happening tech community. So excited to have you here as we explore this groundbreaking technology. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-240 24-inch large format printer, a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality, large-scale printing. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer is sure to impress. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's the perfect addition to any office or workspace. But what really sets it apart is its incredible speed and print quality. Let's start with the speed. The imagePROGRAF TM-240 is powered by the new L-COA Pro 2 processor, which makes it approximately 30% faster than previous models. With a speed of up to 3.2 ppm for a 24 by 36-inch sheet, you can quickly and easily print out large documents and images. This is especially useful for businesses that need to produce a high volume of prints, such as construction companies or advertising agencies. Imagine being able to print out a large blueprint or poster in just a few minutes, rather than waiting for hours. The time-saving potential is huge, and it can really help to boost productivity and efficiency. Another key feature of the imagePROGRAF TM-240 is its high-density 6-channel PF06 printhead. This printhead has a maximum resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi and is designed for fast printing with minimal mist spray. With a total of 15,360 nozzles laying down 5 picoliter-sized ink droplets, the printer is able to produce clean lines and text, which result in sharp detail and excellent image quality. This is especially important for applications where precision and accuracy are crucial, such as architectural drawings or engineering diagrams. The level of detail and clarity that this printer can produce is truly impressive, and it's sure to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. The imagePROGRAF TM-240 also features a 5-color ink set with a newly formulated magenta cartridge. This UV and water-resistant ink is formulated to produce fine lines and sharp text, and it's perfect for producing outdoor posters and signs. When combined with water-resistant media, the printed documents can withstand many outdoor conditions, making it ideal for use on construction sites or in other outdoor environments. The ink is also designed to be long-lasting and durable, so you don't have to worry about your prints fading or deteriorating over time. Whether you're creating signs, posters, or other types of outdoor displays, this printer has got you covered. In addition to its impressive print quality and speed, the imagePROGRAF TM-240 also offers advanced color calibration capabilities. This means that you can calibrate your printer for consistent color quality, ensuring that your output is color consistent over time and across multiple TM series devices. This is especially useful for businesses that need to produce a high volume of prints, as it helps to maintain a consistent brand image and ensures that all of your prints look professional and polished. The printer also automatically determines the media type, length, and width, and displays this information on the user interface home screen, making it easy to use and navigate. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-240 24-inch large format printer is an incredible piece of technology that is sure to meet the needs of anyone who needs high-quality, large-scale printing. With its advanced features, impressive print quality, and fast speed, it's the perfect addition to any office or workspace. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer is sure to impress. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to learn more about the imagePROGRAF TM-240 and discover how it can help you take your printing to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing capabilities and take your business to new heights. Get ready to experience the future of printing today.